You say now we at.
Huh?
You say now we at boat safari.
Here we are in about to take the boat to do a safari in the river, in the Madu River. We are ready to go now to pass all the river around here with Dilepa.
Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm doing a video after long time. This video is about Madu River boat safari, and this time I'm going with my friend who is from Greece. So let's go to the video. I hope this would be an interesting video for you. And we arranged our boat from Nilwala Boat Safari. It cost us 5,000 rupees for a boat, and we find this place from Google Maps, and also they have good reviews on Google Maps, and their service is good. Madu River is located in southwest of Sri Lanka, near a town called Balapitiya. It's known for its calm water surrounded by green mangrove forest and full of amazing wildlife like birds, fish and even water monitors.
I think this place is really amazing. The river is very wide. It's not like the rivers that I've seen before. In Greece the rivers are different. Here the rivers are
He's
very
from
wide.
Greece.
Yes, Greece, from Greece. And are there any crocodiles here inside?
Yeah.
It's full of crocodiles.
So
Can you
full of
imagine? Full of crocodiles.
Yeah. So we'll see whether we can see crocodiles at the river. So I think previous time we saw some crocodiles. So we'll see in this time, okay? So what do you think about this ride?
I think the ride is really amazing. It's very wide.
How is the environment? How is the environment?
It's very green. It's the most green environment I've ever. The amazing Madu River. It's really amazing. Oh look, it's like we see, what's in
It's
the
like an
documentaries. Like an island, yes.
Yeah.
Like the documentaries I've watched in the TV, or on the internet. Now it's real life, completely different.
Did you know there are 64 small islands scattered across the river? Some of these islands have people living on them, and boat tours can take you to around 25 of them. Cinnamon Island is where you can learn how cinnamon is made by hand. Koddu Island is some of a peaceful Buddhist temple, and these are few islands of them. The river is also home to some crocodiles, so keep an eye out during your ride. Boat safaris on the Madu River are a great way to enjoy the scenery and see wildlife up close. Some tours even offer a fish spa, where tiny fish nibble at your feet. You can also spot beautiful birds along the way and stop by temples or cinnamon farms. Yeah, now we are going to Cinnamon Island. Yeah. Then you can taste cinnamon tea. Cinnamon Island. This is the Cinnamon Island.
Come, take.
Thank you. Yes. We are in the Cinnamon Island. Cinnamon tea from Sri Lanka.
Take it and have it.
Take a seat, sir.
Yes, thank you.
So now we are going to have a cup of cinnamon tea with our friend Vasilius. So let's have. Cheers.
So this is the cinnamon, right?
Cinnamon.
The cinnamon tree.
Yeah.
Do you clean the cinnamon tree?
Yeah, first layer clean. First
Uh-huh.
layer no use. Fertilizers compost.
We clean the first layer and then we take
Layer.
the other one on the back.
First layer no use. Fertilizers compost. Copper stick after massage. Cinnamon layer very hard. Marshall name taken.
It's very, very hard,
Very
right?
hard. After massaging, cinnamon layer very easy to remove.
Uh-huh.
What potato?
So you take the next layers, except from the first one.
No. No.
Taking out the first layer and keeping the
Finish.
other one.
After that, firewood.
Ah, now it's finished.
Only one layer after packing. Small part packing. Joining 1 meter long. Sun-dry no good. Sun-dry color change. After 8 days finish. Auto roll.
This is finished.
Smell.
Wait. Can you make a... Yes.
Smell. After 8 days. Smell after baking.
Oh yes, cinnamon, real cinnamon. Cinnamon. This is
Leaves.
cinnamon oil.
Oh. From the leaves.
Can you?
300 kilogram leaves, 1 liter oil. This one, boiler system.
So this is the machine that makes the oil of the cinnamon.
This way, see? Use headache pain, headache apply here, massage. Sore throat problems outside, apply here, massage. Joint paining after massage. Tooth paining, small cotton button, 1 drop after inside. Back paining, after apply here, massage. Nose block, sir, nose block. Hot water, cinnamon oil, 1-2 drop after for covering, steam.
Yes.
Good.
It makes you feel better. The smell is so intense and so nice.
Natural cinnamon products, sir. Cinnamon stick, cooking purpose.
Uh-huh.
Chicken curry, dal curry, fish curry. Cinnamon powder, tea, coffee, cake, pudding, biryani, ice cream. Cinnamon oil, headache pain, joint pain, tooth paining, back paining. Cinnamon intense stick, power stick, mosquito repellent.
For mosquitoes.
One packet 500 rupees, 500 rupees, 500, 500. Each 500 rupees. Natural products, no chemical.
And you feel the burning sensation. It feels like burning.
Yeah, very strong, natural
It's
one.
very strong. Yes, very strong, very strong. Completely different than the ones on the supermarket.
Supermarket cinnamon is chemicals, sir.
Yes,
And
yes,
cinnamon no chemical, only natural.
yes. Completely. Smells so good.
Yeah. Right?
Bye. No. I don't need. But thank you very much. Tell something, camera. Cinnamon Island. The cinnamon is completely different than the merchandise one. It's completely different. It's natural, and if you put it in your face or here in your hand, you feel the burning sensation. But you feel it's very nice. It's a nice feeling sensation. It's adorable. The statue of Buddha. Is this the Buddha island? This is the island of with the temple. Is this the island with the temple of Buddha?
So this is the smallest island here. As you can see, there is only one building, and I think it's a Kovil or something like this. And there are
In the river. island. An eagle just attacked to the birds. That's why we hear them like that. An eagle just attacked to them. Do you want to say to your video? This is a bird's island. An eagle just attacked to them. That's why they sound like that. They are afraid, they are frightened, and they are in hurry. We saw an eagle coming from the other side and he just attacked here. Maybe he's afraid. No, it's not afraid. Baby crocodile. It's a baby. Yeah? Can you take?
The Madu River is not just about fun, it's also important for nature and helps local communities. If you ever get the chance, make sure to experience this magical place for yourself. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Thank you.